Hi there, we've been doing the Insider Club for a few years now, so this is something that I run through Tanina.com and it's a subscription-based membership. I get asked still today, what is Insider Club? So if you're a Thermomix owner or if you're not a Thermomix owner and you just enjoy cooking, this is the club for you. We treat you very, very well. We have literally hundreds of videos that are tutorial videos and they are me, or we have guest presenters and guest chefs, which is fantastic. They have so much knowledge to share.
I show you a cool little trick.
Okay.
3 Michelin stars little trick for the...
I like it. They're very funny. They're very pertinent. You can download the recipe and cook along with us. We have dozens of ebooks and every single ebook that I produce goes into the Insider Club membership for free and they're fantastic. We have beautiful, beautiful recipes. And then we also do discounts with our partners that we love month after month after month, and some of them last for several months and they're fantastic discounts. We do foodie trips. We do competitions where we give away things like trips or Thermomixes. We've given away a couple of Thermomixes now. So if you're not a member yet of the Insider Club, it's time. It's time to join. Hit the link and we'll see you in there because we love our insiders.
Done.
Voila.
Voilà.
Yeah,
Exactly.
voila. Beautiful.